Only 12 days are left for FCAT 2 2026, and honestly, now it's not the time to learn something new. It's the time to revise everything you have already studied, identify your weak areas, and build confidence. If you are also preparing for FCAT, CDS, or any defense exam, then this video is for you. So let's spend another productive day together and make these last few days count. My day started with something I have been following consistently these days: a glass of warm water boiled with dalchini, saum, jeera, and ajwain. It feels refreshing and gives me a good start to the day. After that, I took shower and did my morning puja. Spend a few peaceful minutes before opening my books really helps me stay calm and focused throughout the day. During the session, our mind is often filled with pressure, so these small moments of peace make a big difference. Then I had a healthy breakfast because studying for long hours on an empty stomach is never a good idea. A healthy body definitely supports a focused mind. After breakfast, I came to my study table and the first thing I did was to write my to-do list. I know it sounds like a small habit, but writing down my targets helps me stay organized and keeps me accountable. Every time I tick off a completed task, it gives me a little motivation to keep going. Since only 12 days are left, every study session now has a clear purpose. No random studying, only focus on revision. I started my first study session with maths revision. For revision, I am following the Serious Journey Headshot Maths Marathon, which is available for free on YouTube. Even though I am preparing for FCAT, this marathon is really useful because it covers almost all the important concepts and shortcut techniques needed for aptitude. Today I completed around 4 hours of marathon, which is actually only half of the complete session. Instead of solving every question from scratch, my focus is on revising basically formulas, understanding shortcut methods, and identifying the question where I usually make mistakes. At this stage, revision is more important than collecting new resources. One good source revised multiple times is far better than studying from 10 different places. After such a long math session, I switched my subject to English. Today's focus was vocabulary. The reason is simple. In my last mock test, I realized that I had already studied many of those words, but during the exam, I couldn't recall their meaning. That showed me one thing: learning vocabulary once is never enough. Revision is what actually helps us remember it during the exam. So today I revised my vocabulary notebook, went through previously learned words and tested myself instead of just reading them. Sometimes our biggest mistake become our best teacher. After finishing my English revision, I took a short break for lunch. I had some delicious fried rice along with a cup of black coffee. After a long study session, sleepiness starts taking over. A small break, good food, and a coffee really helps me recharge before starting the new session. The next subject was reasoning, which is probably one of my strongest section. But even in our strongest subjects, there are always a few question types where we lose unnecessary. So today's revision was mainly focused on identifying those weak areas instead of solving only the easy questions. I revised different topic, practiced question where I usually get confused, and carefully analyzed my mistake. Remember, the goal isn't to prove that you are already good at something. The goal is to improve the areas that still need attention, because those are the questions that decide your final score. And that's how today's revision day came to an end. With only 12 days left for FCAT 2 2026, every single day matters. You don't need to study for 15 or 16 hours. What matters is studying with complete focus, revising consistently, and learning from your mock test mistakes. If you are also preparing for FCAT, CDS, or any defense exam, let me know in the comment sections below your preparation, how it is going, and which subject you are revising today. If this vlog motivates you even a little, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join me as we continue this final revision journey together. All the very best to everyone preparing for FCAT 2 2026. Stay disciplined, trust your preparation, and I will see you in the next study vlog. Jai Hind.